Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this lovely 208 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's, and some of its features include 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. The car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 2,500 miles. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 82 horsepower. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.